Scrapwood crafts have gained popularity in recent years, not just as a means of utilizing leftover materials, but also as a way to create unique and charming home decor items. The importance of scrapwood crafts lies not only in their sustainability, but also in their ability to add a personal touch to home interiors while providing opportunities for creative expression and potential income. Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome back to our channel. Today content is on scrapwood crafts project ideas for sale and decor ideas. So watch the video until the end to see our today's content and get inspired. Using scrapwood for crafting projects is an excellent way to reduce waste. Many people find themselves with leftover pieces after completing larger woodworking projects, and instead of discarding these remnants, they can transform them into beautiful, functional items. This approach not only helps in minimizing environmental impact, but also inspires a culture of reusing and repurposing materials, which is increasingly vital in today's eco-conscious society. One of the most appealing aspects of scrapwood crafting is the vast array of projects one can undertake. From small decorative items to furniture, the possibilities are nearly endless. For those looking to sell their creations, the market for handmade goods has flourished with the rise of platforms like Etsy, local craft fairs, and social media marketplaces. By turning scrapwood into desirable products, crafters can tap into a growing audience that values craftsmanship and sustainability. When it comes to decor ideas, scrapwood can be used to create items that add warmth and character to any space. For example, wooden wall art is a popular choice among crafters. By combining various sizes and types of scrap wood, artists can create stunning pieces that serve as focal points in living rooms or entryways. The beauty of such projects lies in their organic nature. No two pieces are alike, reflecting the unique grain and texture of the wood used. Home organization items are also a fantastic way to utilize scrap wood. Items such as key holders, mail organizers, or small storage boxes can be crafted from leftover pieces. These projects often require minimal tools and can be completed in a short amount of time, making them perfect for beginners. Such organizers not only serve a functional purpose, but also add a handmade charm to the home. Home organization items are also a fantastic way to utilize scrap wood. Items such as key holders, mail organizers, or small storage boxes can be crafted from leftover pieces. These projects often require minimal tools and can be completed in a short amount of time, making them perfect for beginners. Such organizers not only serve a functional purpose but also add a handmade charm to the home. For those interested in garden decor, scrapwood can be transformed into beautiful planters or garden signs. Creating raised garden beds from larger pieces of wood not only helps in growing vegetables or flowers, but also adds a touch of rustic charm to outdoor spaces. Garden signs made from scrap wood can be personalized with names or sayings, adding a unique element to any garden. Dear viewers, are you enjoying our content? If you do, please consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't already. Share us your thoughts in the comments section and also smash the notification bell so that you get notified every time we upload a new video of furniture design and decor ideas that will make you inspired and stylish option preferences. Tell us what you want to explore further in this channel on our next video of the furniture design and decor ideas. For your specific needs to transform your space and create an interesting experience in your furniture pieces. Home organization items are also a fantastic way to utilize scrap wood. Items such as key holders, mail organizers, or small storage boxes can be crafted from leftover pieces. These projects often require minimal tools and can be completed in a short amount of time, making them perfect for beginners. Such organizers not only serve a functional purpose but also add a handmade charm to the home. For those interested in garden decor, scrapwood can be transformed into beautiful planters or garden signs. Creating raised garden beds from larger pieces of wood not only helps in growing vegetables or flowers, but also adds a touch of rustic charm to outdoor spaces. Garden signs made from scrap wood can be personalized with names or sayings, adding a unique element to any garden. Moreover, scrap wood is excellent for crafting seasonal decor. Items like wooden pumpkins for autumn or snowflakes for winter can be made quickly and easily, providing an outlet for seasonal creativity. These projects can be sold at craft fairs or online, appealing to those looking to decorate their homes for the holidays without breaking the bank. The crafting process itself can be highly therapeutic. Many crafters find joy in the act of creating, as it allows for a unique expression of personal style. Working with wood can be particularly rewarding, as it involves both hands-on skills and artistic vision. Whether one is a seasoned woodworker or just starting, creating scrap wood projects can be a fulfilling pastime that leads to beautiful outcomes. As the trend of DIY and handmade goods continues to grow, so does the appreciation for items that showcase craftsmanship and creativity. Scrap wood crafts exemplify this movement, where individuality and sustainability converge. The ability to take something discarded and turn it into a cherished item is a powerful statement about creativity and resourcefulness. In addition to selling these crafts, many individuals enjoy gifting handmade items to friends and family. A handcrafted piece made from scrap wood carries a personal touch that mass-produced items often lack. Gifting such items can strengthen relationships and convey thoughtfulness, making them treasured possessions. Moreover, as people become more aware of their consumption habits, there's a growing demand for sustainable home decor. By marketing scrap wood crafts as eco-friendly alternatives to conventional decor, crafters can attract a clientele that values sustainability. This aspect can be highlighted in product descriptions online or during craft fairs, emphasizing the importance of reusing materials and supporting local artisans. To further enhance the appeal of scrap wood crafts, crafters can incorporate mixed media elements. Combining wood with other materials such as metal, glass, or fabric can create stunning contrasts and textures. For instance, a wooden frame embellished with metal accents or a fabric-covered cushion backed with scrap wood can elevate the overall aesthetic and attract a wider audience. In showcasing their work, crafters can utilize social media platforms to share their crafting journey, from the initial idea to the final product. Creating engaging content, such as process videos or photos of completed projects, can help build a following and establish a brand. This connection with potential customers can significantly impact sales and create a community around shared interests. Participating in local craft fairs or markets can also help promote scrap wood crafts. These events provide crafters with the opportunity to showcase their work, engage with customers, and network with other artisans. In-person interactions can lead to valuable feedback and inspire new project ideas, while also fostering a sense of community among crafters. Scrap wood crafts represent a harmonious blend of creativity, sustainability, and personal expression. They offer countless opportunities for crafting unique decor items that not only beautify homes, but also resonate with the growing demand for eco-friendly products. As individuals explore their creativity through scrap wood projects, they contribute to a culture of reusing materials, supporting local artisans, and appreciating the art of handmade goods. Whether for personal enjoyment or as a source of income, scrap wood crafts are a testament to innovation and resourcefulness, making them an essential aspect of modern crafting culture. This overview encapsulates the essence of scrap wood crafts, emphasizing their importance in both decor and potential sales. If you'd like to expand on specific sections or focus on particular aspects, let me know. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked wood furniture and wooden decorative pieces ideas you can use for your home, office, or patio decor. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.